Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. But if you can't tell today, we're not at Haulover, we're visiting BOCA just to the north. And the party crews are out in force today. We've seen lots of big boats come out with lots of people on them. Everybody's out here coming out of Lake BOCA having a good time. But it's a little rough outside the inlet. Let's see how our captains fare as they step in the ring and try and do battle today with BOCA Inlet. And we're going to go ahead and move into our first round of our competition, where our first captain's going to step in and see how he fares in a large CV. This crew, once again, another one of those party crews, packed boat, making their way out of a rough BOCA Inlet. Captain's taking it a little bit easy as he makes, oh no, we got a man overboard. I mean, we really weren't even going that fast. Cap was trying to take it easy, but I think, once again, another one of those victims who may have had a little bit too much fun on Lake BOCA. And man, this is a dangerous situation right here. We're in a tight, compact chop, boats coming in and out of BOCA, and our guy barely can swim. Now, I don't know, there's probably a lot going on here. Fortunately, one of the jet skis that was coming out of the inlet steps up and tries to rescue our guy out of the water. So he's doing what he can to try and get this dude onto the ski so we can hopefully either get him back to shore or get him back on this boat. But the boat right here is taking a loss here in the first round for sure. So he takes off with our guy and our guy goes down again. Unbelievable. Homie's just not ready. It's not his day, and he's back in the water. I don't think I have a choice. I almost have to give BOCA a second win on this one, as our guy has been swimming twice now. So now he looks like he's actually heading back toward the boat. So he's going to try and rejoin his crew over here versus trying to get back on another jet ski. I can't tell if he's trying to save his phone. Why does everybody, when they go in the water at these inlets, only worry about their phone? I mean, bro, it's backed up on the cloud. You'll be fine. You can get another one. And they drag him into the boat. And our guy, it looks like he's going to be pulled back to safety, but man, the damage has been done on this one, as BOCA's basically taken 2 wins in 1 round as our guy decided to go swimming twice. That's going to leave an uphill battle for the boats as we move basically into what I'm going to call the 3rd round. And here we go, 3rd round of our competition. We got a conch making its way out of BOCA, and these guys are taking it slow and easy. That's not typically a good way to go, as you usually want to get a boat like this up on plane, let it do its thing. But our crew, another packed party boat, out here having a good time, and it's a light stuffing. I can't believe it, really. They're just coming out slow, and even though it's a light stuffing, it's just a basic rule. You stuff the bow, water comes over the front. Unfortunately, in Boats vs. Haulover, you take a loss. They open it up here, but a little bit too late, as basically the boats go down 3-0, and it's going to be an early win for the inlet today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets in South Florida. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens in the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.